Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to prepare a popular dish from Northeast India, particularly in Assam, which is Papaya Khar. However, in most tribal homes, we love with dry fish. So it's going to be Papaya Khar with dry fish. The recipe is simple, easy and almost prepared twice a week because of its health benefits as it aids in digestion. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Raw papaya, green chilies, salt, khar, ginger and dry fish. Now let's start cooking. Take a pan, add your raw papaya, slit green chilies, crushed ginger, salt and khar. Stir them well. Now turn on the stove and cook this for 5 minutes. At the same time, take your dry fish in a bowl and add hot water. Rinse it thoroughly multiple times until clean. Drain the water and keep aside. Add the dry fish and 1 cup of water. Stir it well and cook it for 15 minutes, occasionally stirring in between. Once the raw papaya is completely cooked and mushy, our dish is ready to be served. The raw papaya has blended perfectly with the dried fish, which has added a beautiful flavor to the humble dish. The dish may not look too photogenic, however, it's an awesome side dish that goes along with any curries and gravies, be it dal, chicken, pork or mutton gravies. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave your comments and also do consider subscribing if you have not yet, and don't forget to click on that little bell notification for travel and food updates.